What's up guys, this is the Hack Store. Welcome back to my channel. So I found a new serial alternative for you guys. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So just I will put the link of this website in the description. So guys, you need to sign up using this website. Is called ioscode.com. Once you have done or you have like sign up with your account iOS code app, you guys need to go to the second link and I will be putting in the description. Don't worry for that. Now you guys need to tap on this free install and wait for a few seconds. Now click allow and you can see profile downloaded. So to install the profile, you guys need to go to the setting, go to the general, scroll down until you find profile and device management. Install profile, install again, type passcode if you have, install again and install again, and done. Magic. So guys, this is an CD alternative that you can utilize to get hacked game like every like Clash of Clan and much more. So guys, you can see the main page of this application. So you can see you have hacked games which are latest and you are recently updated, and you have trending section as well, and you can guys like download 8 ball pool hack, which is I think working 100% fine. Now you can see most viewed. If you click on this app section, you have like tweaked apps, so you can download Circuit 5 for YouTube, no advertisement, and you can see, just click on see all. So guys, this is an amazing serial alternative. You can have Electra and much tweak apps. You can see you have UFC hack as well, and there are bunch of application you can install. So if you want to install like any app, like if you want to download uncover iOS 11 jailbreak, so you need to guys, or you can install KineMaster Pro Video. So if you want to download, just tap on get and you can see you can install. This is official and non-modified unique cover jailbreak. So just tap install and guys, the this application will be installed on your home screen. So guys, please support me by liking and subscribing my channel. This is the Hack Store. Thank you for visiting my channel. I love you guys.